Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I want to go over an article that I came across. It's actually posted on Twitter, and it was from Hemp Industry Daily, back from March the 22nd. So it says USDA grants nearly $300,000 for hemp cattle feed study. So I was like, this is interesting. So I thought I just might want to share this with you and tell you what the article has to say, and also give you a little bit of other information about another topic at the end of the video in regards to marijuana and legalization in a particular state. So it says Oregon researchers will add cattle to their hemp animal feed studies under a new federal grant. The U.S. Department of Agriculture granted nearly $300,000 to researchers at Oregon State University studying how to implement the safe use of hemp byproducts into livestock diets to maximize their potential nutritional properties. The Oregon State study earned $299,950 in an $8.5 million chunk of funding awarded for 29 research and extension grants from the USDA's National Institute of Food and Agriculture. It was the only hemp-specific research project to be funded. U.S. Senator Ron Wyden and Jeff Merkley, Democrats from Oregon, said the grant could be a boon to farmers throughout the country. The OSU research will help to continue building the case for federal approval of hemp biomass on cattle farms, making a natural connection between two signature Oregon products, livestock and hemp, Wyden said in a statement. Merkley said he looked forward to seeing the results of the cattle feed study and pledged to continue to secure the resources needed to contribute to agricultural research, according to the Sierra Sun Times. The grant adds to Oregon State's research on hemp and animal feed, which includes a study that began last fall on feeding hemp biomass to sheep and whether the biomass affects the tenderness of the animal's meat and its impact on the meat's shelf life. That's pretty interesting. The Hemp Feed Coalition recently completed its first submission for hemp to become an approved animal feed ingredient for consideration by the Association of American Feed Control Officials and the U.S. Food and Drug Administration's Center for Veterinary Medicine. If approved, the ingredient application will allow hemp seed meal and cake to be legally used as commercial feed for laying hens. The group's research will focus on, the group's research will include the clinical trials necessary to add ruminants animals such as cattle, sheep, and goats to be submitted AAFCO and FDA CVM application for hemp seed meal. Very, very interesting. Very, very interesting. So we continue to see some different articles come out in regards to hemp and these different studies and legislation. So I like to share these things with you guys for the people who are following the channel because of Hemp Inc. Okay, I like to read these articles and kind of see different things happen. So I want to share that with you. The stock's still trading at about a penny. So, for those of you who want to hop in and just kind of ride the wave for I don't know how long it's going to take, but eventually it'll get there as we get more legislation and things going our way for industrial hemp and everything. So another thing to keep in mind, guys, there is in regards to marijuana stocks, New York is talking about legislation in New York State about legalizing marijuana and um, basically the people who were, I guess, have, marijuana offenses on their record. I want to say that they're going to wipe that clean. So some plays on there, guys. If that happens, Hexo, HEXO, and Tilray. Those are some that you might want to pay attention to. And if that passes and everything goes through from in New York State, those are some that you might be able to ride up because I'm sure they're going to go crazy if anything comes out of that. So that's all I got for this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you got something out of it. If you did, smash the thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel if you enjoy our content. Other than that, we'll catch you in the next one.